Are you curious about making money while you sleep? Today, we're diving into the world of passive income ideas, from renting out space to investing. These methods can help your bank account grow without your active involvement. Wondering how you can start earning without even lifting a finger? In today's video, we're uncovering the magic of passive income, showing you ways to earn while you relax. Imagine the satisfaction of waking up to find your bank balance has grown overnight. These strategies, from investments to renting, let your money do the hard work, leaving you free to enjoy life while your income quietly grows. Ready to discover how your dreams can make you money? Let's get started. Buy and flip websites. If you're pretty handy at making e-commerce websites, think of website flipping as your ticket to making money while you sleep. It's a bit like planting seeds that grow into money trees. You can create these online shops and then sell them, just like selling a beautifully crafted piece of art. Places like Shopify's Exchange Marketplace are a bit like bustling markets where you can showcase and sell your newly made or more advanced online stores. It's a bit like finding a new home for something you've put your heart into. So if you've got the skills, why not turn them into a way to earn some extra cash? It's about using your talents to build something valuable, and then watching it become a successful business for someone else, while also giving you a nice income boost. Invest in company stocks. Your 9-to-5 job has the potential to be more than just a regular gig. It can be like a golden ticket to passive income through company shares or retirement plans. Asking for company shares or being part of their retirement plan when you join can be a smart move, like adding an extra sprinkle of goodness to your work deal. It's a bit like planting seeds for a flourishing garden. These shares or retirement plans the company matches can grow quietly, steadily increasing your wealth without you having to constantly hustle. They're like the pieces of a puzzle that, over time, come together to form a strong financial foundation, giving you a sense of security and comfort for the future. So by tapping into these opportunities, your job doesn't just pay the bills. It becomes a pathway to building wealth and a more stable tomorrow. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube offers various ways to make money without working around the clock, ranging from ad revenue to sponsored videos. It's like a big treasure chest filled with different coins waiting for you to grab them. When you create consistent and top-notch content for your channel, it's like planting seeds for a garden that grows money. Ad revenue and sponsored videos can bring in a steady income. But here's the thing: persistence and dedication are the secret ingredients. Think of it like practicing a musical instrument. The more you work at it, the better you get. Look at folks like Matthew Ross. He found his passion for wearable technology and shared it on YouTube. That passion turned into a surprise gold mine, making his hobby a money-making adventure. So if you've got something you love at a camera, dive into YouTube. Who knows? Your passions might just bloom into a thriving source of income with dedication and a whole lot of heart. Self-photography. Photographers can carve out a rewarding avenue for passive income by showcasing and selling their captivating photos on diverse platforms such as stock image websites, magazines, or even through the medium of canvas printing. Whether armed with a professional camera or the convenience of a smartphone, the potential to turn memorable moments into a consistent revenue stream is at their fingertips. It transcends the constant pursuit of new snapshots. Instead, it transforms photography into a sustainable source of earnings, offering a tangible value to their artistic endeavors. Each sale represents not just a financial gain, but a heartfelt acknowledgement of their creative prowess, infusing both a sense of accomplishment and an extra dash of practicality to their passion for capturing moments. Referral marketing. If you're good at selling or know lots of people, you can earn extra money by telling folks about cool DJs or photographers. It's like being a matchmaker between someone who needs a service and the people who provide it. Use your friends and connections to introduce potential customers, and when they hire the DJ or photographer, you get some easy cash as a thank you bonus. It's not just about the money. It's about making things happen for your pals. When you see them happy with the awesome DJ or photographer you recommended, it feels pretty nice. It's like spreading good vibes and getting a little bonus for helping out. Write an ebook. If you know a lot about something, making an ebook is a clever way to earn money without doing much. It's like turning what you know into a little digital book that people can buy or read on platforms like Amazon Kindle. You don't need to be a fancy writer. You just need to share what you're good at. When people buy your ebook or read it, you make money. It's not just about the cash, it's about sharing your knowledge with others. And when you see people liking what you wrote, it's a warm feeling of knowing you helped someone or made them happy. So writing an ebook is not just a money thing. It's a way to connect with others and feel good about what you know. Sell unwanted items. Turn clutter into cash by selling unwanted items online. Whether it's old belongings or unused goods, platforms like online marketplaces can help convert your clutter into a source of passive income. It's like giving your things a second chance at usefulness and making a little extra money in the process. Those items you no longer need or use can find new homes, and at the same time, you get to declutter your space and your mind. It's not just about the practicality of earning some extra cash. There's a sense of satisfaction in knowing that what was once clutter is now bringing joy to someone else. It's a simple yet rewarding way to clear out your space, make a positive impact, and maybe even put a smile on someone's face. Create and sell digital products. Making digital stuff like audiobooks, templates, or plugins can earn you money. Use places like Shopify to sell them and get some cash with high profits. It's not just about making money. It's also about feeling good when people like what you made. And the cool part is, you don't have to do much for each sale. It mostly happens on its own. So designing digital things isn't just a job. It's like turning your hobbies into a little business and getting happy vibes when people dig what you create. Passive income apps. Get some extra money by using apps that give you passive income, like cashback or investment apps. It's like having a little money helper on your phone. Apps such as Fundrise and Inbox Dollars make it easy to earn some extra cash just by doing things on your smartphone. It's not just about the money. It's about your phone working for you while you do your usual stuff. When you see your earnings go up, it feels good, like a nice surprise from your phone. It's like turning your everyday activities into a way to make a bit of money, making life a little easier. Create and license audio tracks. Make money by creating music tracks and letting others use them for a fee on platforms like SoundCloud. It's like sharing your tunes and getting paid for it. As you build up a bunch of these tracks, you can keep earning money without always making new ones. It's not just about the music. It's about sharing what you love and getting a little something back. Every time someone pays to use your music, it's like a high five for your creativity. And when you start getting paid regularly, it feels really good, like a reward for doing what you enjoy. So making music tracks isn't just a fun hobby, it's a way to share your music, make some cash, and feel proud of what you create. Conclusion. There you have it, passive income ideas that can help you earn money while you sleep. Remember, passive income streams often require initial effort but can yield substantial rewards in the long run. Find the strategies that align with your skills and interests and start building your passive income portfolio today. How to row. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with friends who might benefit from these passive income ideas. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on financial success and wealth building strategies. Thank you for watching, and until next time, sweet dreams and profitable ventures.